So my dear friends, welcome to a new video. You know that in very recently, the Finance Minister of India has declared a 3 lakh crore credit facilities to the MSME segment. And it's very important to know what exactly the scheme is and what are the benefits of this scheme. So being a part of the MSME segment, you should know what are the things you have to do and what are the things very important elements of this scheme. So you should know to make use of this scheme. So this video contains a very important information regarding the 3 lakh crore, yes, the 3 lakh crore credit assistance that is sanctioned for the MSME segment in India. So let's watch the video.
So my dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about 3 lakh crore credit facility that is given to the MSME segment of India, and this scheme was declared by our beloved Finance Minister Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman. So this scheme will benefit our micro, small and medium enterprises which are affected by our COVID-19 issue. And very important thing is that this scheme is a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, which is a program created by the central government to protect the country, to revitalize the country, to revive the country from all the negative impacts of COVID-19. So let us see the major important features of this 3 lakh crore MSME credit facilities. The one thing, very important thing is that existing loan holders are eligible for this scheme. For example, you took a loan of 3 lakh MSME loan from Canara Bank, then you are eligible to get 20% of outstanding existing loan amount from the Canara Bank. See, there's a criteria of what amount should be the maximum outstanding loan and what is the turnover criteria is set. See, for considering you as an eligible candidate, your outstanding loan may go up to 25 crore and your turnover may go up to 100 crore. So if you are a person with an outstanding loan up to 25 crore and a person having a turnover up to 100 crore, then you are eligible. So your outstanding loan should be maximum of 25 crore and the turnover should be maximum of 100 crore. And the date by which this outstanding loan is considered is 29th February 2020. So I told you is a 20% of outstanding loan will be granted as a new loan under this scheme, so that you can utilize this credit facility to develop your MSME, your industry. You know, one very important thing, all the banks, all the commercial banks, financial institutions and non-banking financial companies are involved in this scheme. But the banks charge 9.25% of interest for this additional loan, and NBFCs will charge 14% rate of interest for this additional loan. And this is a 100% credit guaranteed scheme, and the government of India will give you the guarantee. And this the duration of this scheme is from 23rd May 2020 to 31st October 2020. So if you really want to make use of this program, then you have to avail this program in between this duration. And then one important thing, if you are taking this facility, if you are taking this credit from the banks or financial institutions, then you can avail it as a term loan or working capital, but you will get it only as a term loan from NBFC. Then if your company needs to take a GST registration, then you have to make sure that you have a GST registration to become eligible under this scheme. But if you are not if your company doesn't require a GST registration, then don't worry about it. Then NPAs, if your loan account has become an NPA by 29th February 2020, then you are not at all eligible. You won't get any credit facility under this scheme. So, for example, you have taken your loan under your individual capacity, then you are not eligible under this scheme. The Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana loan scheme, if you are taken under this scheme, then you are also eligible for this scheme of 3 lakh crore credit facilities. A separate account will be maintained in banks, financial institutions and NBFC to deal with this account. So don't worry about it. The another important feature is about this loan facility is that credit score is not at all required. You don't worry about a credit score, whether it is high or low. It is not considered to get 20% of outstanding loan amount, your existing outstanding loan amount under the scheme. So you have to repay the loan within 4 years. You will get 4 years, but very important feature of this loan facility is that you will get 12 months of moratorium. You only need to pay interest in the first 12 months. Then after 12 months only, there you have to think about paying the principal. So there is no guarantee fee. I told you, you need not worry about paying the guarantee fee as usual. Then no processing fees. But if there are other charges, then the bank or financial institutions or the NBFC can charge, but there is no processing fee. Then no additional collateral has to be submitted. So whatever you are submitted to get the existing loan will be considered as a security for granting you an additional loan under this scheme. Then the bank will usually communicate you if you are eligible, then you can opt out, then you can decide whether you have to take it or not. That's all depending upon you. Then see, if you, for example, you have taken loan under a particular scheme, a government scheme, there won't be any change in the loan scheme even if you avail this scheme. So for example, if you are not registered under this scheme as a MSME, unfortunately you don't have any registration as an MSME, then don't worry about it. If your company requires a GST registration and if you have taken the GST, then you just contact your bank. The bank have the right to make you eligible if you are really eligible. So it is better to always register your company, your unit as an MSME. If this is coming under an MSME segment, you just visit the Udyog Aadhaar websites where you can register your unit as an MSME very easily with your Aadhaar card. So bank, you can expect a call or a message from the bank if you are eligible. Even if the bank is not contacting you and you are really seriously thinking that you are eligible under this scheme, then you can directly contact bank at a convenient time. So you have to make use of this facility to protect and to develop your business. So this is a one-time offer, and you have to make sure that you go to the bank as early as possible, because I told you the October 31st is the last date of availing this scheme. Or when the 3 lakh crore is over, then the government of India can stop this scheme. So that's what they said. And if you think that this video is useful for you, then you can click a like and share the video. And of course, if you wish to receive such business entrepreneurship related videos, useful videos, you can subscribe the channel. So see you with a new video next time. Thank you. Bye bye.